Welcome to the channel Knowledge is Wisdom. I am Salman Zulfikar. Today we will discuss break-even point. What is the break-even point? Why it is calculated? Why it is necessary? What's its importance? We will discuss about it. Break-even point is a point at which there is no profit and no loss condition. No profit, no loss condition is known as break-even point. This is the point at which the total cost is equal to total sales, which you have earned, which you have spent, that you have earned, nothing more than that. In ordinary business, if we will deduct total cost from total sales, you will get total profit. The formula of profit is total sales minus total cost is equal to total profit. But at break even point, that if you will deduct total cost from the total sales, it will become zero. This is the point at which total sale is equal to total cost. In other words, if you will deduct the total cost from the total sales, it will become zero. This point is known as break even point. Why it is necessary to calculate? Because each manufacturing unit, each company wants to know that how much minimum units it should produce in order to reach at break even point. Suppose break even point of company A is 300 units. It means that minimum it will produce 300 units, then it will reach at break even point. If it will increase 301 unit, then it will get profit. If it is less than 300 units, suppose it produced 299, then this situation is loss situation. This situation is profit situation, and at exact 300 units you are at break even point, which is no profit and no loss situation. So now the company is in position to know that minimum it will produce 300 units, less than 300 units it will not accept. Suppose a person give an order of 250 units, the company will not accept. It will straightforward say no, we will not provide you 250 units. Why? Because at 250 units they will not even get any profit. That's why they will straightforward, the cost is more than it, so that's why they will straightforward deny to accept this order. So that's why it is necessary to calculate break even point. So let's discuss under what is the formula of the break even point. As we have discussed, this is a point at which total sales minus total cost is equal to zero. So we start our journey from here. Total sales minus, the total cost depends on there are two costs in total cost. One is variable cost and the other one is fixed cost. Fixed cost will remain fixed. As you increase number of units, it will remain fixed, like rent of the building, rent of godown, etc. The variable cost will increases or decreases as you increase or decrease the production, like material, labor, FOH, these type of, as you will increase the units, the variable cost will increase. Fixed cost will remain same. Total cost minus variable cost is equal to fixed cost. If we will take to the FC to the other side, then it is total sales minus variable cost minus is equal to fixed cost. So total sales, sale, if you will multiply the quantity to the sale price per unit, it will become total sales, and same like variable cost per unit multiplied by quantity is equal to variable cost is equal to fixed cost. You will take Q as a quantity as a common, and the remaining is sale price per unit minus variable cost per unit is equal to fixed cost. If you will take sale price per unit to variable cost per unit to the other side in order to get the quantity of break even point, then the formula is FC is equal to sale price, FC divided by, this was multiplying here and it will be divided at the other side, future fixed cost divided by sale price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Now this is the formula of break even point. Suppose you put the values and the answer is 300 units. 300 units are the point at which you will get no profit and no loss. The sale price per unit minus variable cost per unit is also known as contribution margin. Contribution margin means what is the contribution of the fixed cost in the total cost. It is known as the contribution margin. So that was the concept of the break even point, in which we discuss the formula, the concept with the help of example, and we also try to understand what is the contribution margin. I hope that you would better able to understand these concepts now. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.